I am Jacques Torres from Jacques Torres Chocolates, and I want to show you how to temper chocolates. When you get a piece of chocolate and you try to break it, you hear a snap. That chocolate is what we call temper. Let's say that you want to dip strawberry in chocolates. If you use chocolate that you just melt, the chocolate will never really set. It will never be crunchy or shiny. So for dipping or for molding, we have to temper chocolates. So first, we need to melt the chocolates. You don't want the water to be too hot, otherwise the chocolate will burn. The only thing that melts in the chocolate is the cocoa butter. The cacao doesn't melt. Some chocolate contains so little cocoa butter that when you melt it, it's going to stay so thick that you cannot work with it. So you have to buy a high quality chocolate. Usually, high quality chocolate contains enough cocoa butter. Keep stirring so the chocolate doesn't come too hot on one side. That should take less than 5 minutes. The chocolate now is completely melted. The molecular fat in the chocolates are completely break down. We need to put them back together. We need to start a crystallization. We take about 2/3 of the chocolates and put it on a marble table. Using a spatula, I am moving the chocolates around to cool down the chocolate so the chocolate starts setting. You can see now some pieces forming. I'm going to take these cold chocolates and I'm going to put it back into the bowl. And it's a little bit under 90 degrees. Using my immersion blender, blend everything to break down all those pieces. The chocolate will start setting in less than a minute. You can see here, chocolate already set. Now you can put fresh fruits, strawberry, dry apricot work really well. You can take a chocolate mold and just put that in the fridge for a few minutes. I don't know why that one says spank me. The more chocolate you temper, longer you're going to have to work with it. As you can see now, the chocolate is becoming thicker. This is why I have a heat gun. Just remelt your chocolates. I'm going to put a little tempered chocolates on my table here. Spread these chocolates. And with a knife, I can make little things to decorate a cake. Okay, chocolate cigarettes. Voila. To check out another episode of Savvy, click here. And don't forget to subscribe, otherwise, no more chocolates.